Hi, everyone. Happy May the 4th be with you. It's Star Wars Day. In a galaxy far, far away, Star Wars takes place in outer space. Did you know that astronauts can travel to outer space and they have even been to the moon? Astronauts travel to outer space and the moon by a rocket ship or spaceship. Do you want to pretend to be an astronaut with me and travel to the moon? Okay, here we go. We're flying to the moon. We're flying to the moon. Blast off, away we go. We're flying to the moon. Great job, little astronauts. In the sky, far, far away, there are 1,000,000 stars. And sometimes when you connect those stars, they make these shapes called constellations. Would you like to make a constellation with me? Make sure to ask a grown-up for help with this one. You will need a Ziploc bag, some hair gel or clear glue, and confetti stars, or you can even use glitter or both. You're also going to need some black construction paper for your night sky. I don't have black construction paper, so I'm going to get creative and use blue as my night sky. You can make your night sky color whatever you imagine it to be. We're simply going to place all the items together. So I already did one, but we're going to pretend to do it again, okay? So we're going to put in our hair gel, our glue, gulp, 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 gulp. And then we're going to add our confetti stars or glitter, tick, 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 tick. Then we're going to make sure that there's no air bubbles in our Ziploc bags. And we're going to close it really, really tight so nothing comes out. Then we're going to go ahead and put it up against our night sky, whatever color you imagine it to be. And there you have made your very own constellation. You can touch it and feel it and try to move the stars around to make your very own shapes in a constellation. And you can feel it, and it feels so squishy. So have fun with your star constellations. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, I know what you really are. Great ball of glowing gas, one of 1,000,000,000 in a mass. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, oh, how big you really are. Thank you so much, little astronauts. Happy May the 4th be with you, and have a playful day.